In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your watch history on Amazon Prime Video. This is a handy feature, especially if you want to revisit something you've already watched or keep track of your viewing habits. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the Prime Video homepage, where you can see a variety of content available for streaming. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. If you've uploaded a photo, it will be displayed here. Otherwise, you will see a generic profile icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu includes several options related to your account and profile preferences. Now, from the drop-down menu, you want to select Account and Settings. This section is your one-stop hub for managing your Amazon Prime Video account, including personal information, parental controls, and of course, your watch history. Once you click on Account and Settings, you'll be directed to a new page with multiple tabs. Here comes the final step. Among the tabs at the top of the Account and Settings page, locate and click on the one labeled Watch History. This tab is dedicated entirely to listing the movies and TV shows you've viewed on Amazon Prime Video. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to a page that showcases a chronological list of all the content you've watched. It's essentially a detailed timeline of your viewing activity. Take a moment to scroll through this list. You might even find it useful as a reference for revisiting a show you enjoyed, or even to remember a title you wanted to recommend to a friend. If you're interested in editing or managing your history, this page gives you options to mark items as unwatched, or even remove them from your history altogether. And that's all there is to it, even though it might seem complex at first glance. Finding your watch history on Amazon Prime Video is actually quite simple once you know where to look. It's an understated feature that can really enhance your viewing experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out more of our videos for other tips on making the most of your streaming services. Until next time, happy viewing!